Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship digital products on Shopify. Let's get started. First, you need to understand why digital products are absolutely game-changing for online businesses. Unlike physical products that require inventory management, shipping logistics, and recurring product costs, digital products allow you to create something once and sell it repeatedly without any additional production expenses. The best part is your profit margins can be incredibly high since you're not paying for manufacturing, materials, or shipping costs. Digital products also mean instant delivery to your customers, no shipping delays, and no worries about damaged goods or returns. This business model lets you work from anywhere in the world, scale rapidly, and test new products with minimal risk. Step 1 is setting up your Shopify store from scratch. Open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. You'll immediately see a sign-up page where you can create your new account. Look carefully for the special 1-month promotion. It's usually prominently displayed right on the main page. Click the Start Free Trial button and enter your email address to begin the process. You'll answer a few basic questions about your business experience and goals. This helps Shopify customize your experience. Just complete this straightforward process until you reach your main dashboard, which will be your command center for everything we're about to build together. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with where everything is located before we move forward. Now let's get your first digital product set up properly. Click on Products in your left sidebar navigation. Then click the blue Add Product button in the top right corner. Here's where we configure everything specifically for digital products. Name your product something clear and appealing. Let's use Ultimate Digital Planner as our example. Write a compelling description that highlights the benefits and solutions your product offers. Scroll down the product page and you'll see two crucially important checkboxes that many beginners miss. Uncheck Track Quantity. Since we have unlimited digital inventory, and uncheck This is a physical product, because this removes all shipping information from the checkout process. Set your price at $20, or whatever amount matches your product's value. Then click Save to create your first digital product listing. Remember to add high-quality images that showcase your digital product's features and benefits. Next, we need to automate the digital delivery process, since we can't manually send files to every customer. Go to the Shopify App Store. You can find this in your left sidebar under the Apps section. In the search bar, type Easy Digital Products and install this free but powerful app. Once installed, open the app from your dashboard and click Create Digital Product. Select the product you just created from your product list, then upload your actual digital file. If you're selling a PDF planner, simply drag and drop your file into the upload area. The app will now automatically handle downloads and email delivery to customers immediately after purchase, working 24/7 without any manual intervention needed from you. Test this process yourself by making a test purchase to ensure everything works smoothly. Now, let's configure automatic order fulfillment to keep your dashboard clean and organized. Click on Settings at the very bottom of your left sidebar navigation panel. Then select Checkout from the options that appear. Scroll down to the Order Processing section and change the setting from Don't automatically fulfill orders to Automatically fulfill all orders. This ensures digital orders are marked as Complete instantly rather than sitting in your unfulfilled orders list, making your business look more professional and saving you time on manual order management. This automation is crucial for scaling your business efficiently as you start getting more sales. Here's a powerful conversion tip that most beginners overlook: setting up automatic currency conversion for international customers. Go back to the Shopify App Store and search for Geolocation by Shopify. It's an official free app developed by Shopify themselves. Install this app and open it from your dashboard. Once inside the app, uncheck the Shipping Options banner, since we're selling digital products that don't require shipping. Then navigate to Settings Markets. Add Markets. Systematically add the top 5 English-speaking countries. United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and New Zealand. This automatically detects where your visitors are located and shows prices in their local currency, significantly reducing purchase hesitation and increasing international sales. This small setup can dramatically boost your conversion rates without any additional marketing effort. Now, let's build your high-converting landing page that will serve as your store's homepage. Return to the Shopify App Store and search for GemPages. This is a drag-and-drop landing page builder specifically designed for Shopify. Install this app and open it from your dashboard. Click Create New Page and select the option to start from a blank template. Use their intuitive drag-and-drop editor to build a simple but effective single product page. Start with a compelling banner that clearly shows the transformation your product provides. Then add a clean product section with clear bullet point benefits that address customer pain points. Most importantly, ensure your Buy Now button is configured to go directly to checkout rather than to the cart. This reduces friction and increases conversions by minimizing the steps between interest and purchase. Add social proof elements like testimonials or trust badges to build credibility. Set this beautifully designed page as your home page within the GemPages settings area. Then create a professional contact page by going to Online Store Pages Add Page. Name it Contact and select the contact form template from the available options. Finally, add your logo by navigating to Online Store, Customize Header section, Upload Logo. If you don't have a logo yet, use Canva to create a simple but professional text-based logo in just minutes. There's no need for expensive design software when starting out. Ensure your logo is clear and recognizable, as it will appear on all your store pages and marketing materials. Here's a valuable pro tip. If you're looking for winning digital products to sell but aren't sure what's trending, check out Sell the Trend. It's an amazing market research tool that shows you exactly what digital products are currently popular and selling well across various platforms. I've included a special link in the description where you can try Sell the Trend for 14 days for just $1. It's perfect for finding high demand, low competition digital products that can give your new store the best possible start. This tool can save you countless hours of research and help you identify profitable niches quickly. Remember that your focus should be on driving targeted traffic through social media marketing, content creation, and organic search optimization once your store is live and ready. Since you're selling digital products with instant delivery, you can scale your business quickly once you find a winning product that resonates with your audience. The beauty of digital products is that they allow for rapid testing and iteration without the financial risk associated with physical inventory. Start by sharing your products on platforms where your target audience spends time. Create valuable content that addresses their needs, and gradually build an email list to market your products directly to interested customers.